The COSWHEEL R6000 electric mountain bike is engineered for riders who crave extreme power, rugged capability, and high-speed adventure. Designed for thrill seekers and outdoor explorers, this high-performance electric bike combines aggressive motor output, long-range endurance, and advanced suspension technology to create an exhilarating riding experience on virtually any terrain. At the heart of the R6000 is a powerful dual motor system featuring dual 6,000-watt brushless motors that deliver exceptional torque and acceleration. This setup provides the strength needed to conquer steep hills, rough trails, and demanding off-road conditions with confidence. With top speeds reaching up to 75 km per hour, the R6000 transforms every ride into a fast and exciting adventure while maintaining stable and responsive power delivery. Supporting this impressive performance is a high-capacity 60V 30AH lithium-ion battery designed for long-distance riding. The battery delivers a range of up to 90 kilometers under ideal conditions, allowing riders to travel farther and explore more without constantly searching for charging points. Its efficient energy output ensures reliable performance throughout extended rides, making the bike suitable for both adventure riding and daily commuting. Built for rugged environments, the R6000 features a dual suspension system that effectively absorbs shocks and impacts from rough terrain. Whether riding across rocky trails, uneven dirt paths, or city streets, the suspension system enhances comfort and stability while reducing rider fatigue. This allows for smoother handling and improved control in challenging conditions. Safety and precision are reinforced with a hydraulic braking system that provides strong and reliable stopping power. The hydraulic brakes respond quickly and consistently, giving riders confidence when descending steep hills or making sudden stops at higher speeds. An integrated LCD display keeps important riding information clearly visible, including speed, battery level, and ride data, helping riders stay informed and in control throughout the journey. The bike's sleek single-seat design contributes to a balanced and agile riding experience while maintaining a modern and aggressive appearance. Built with durability in mind, the frame supports a safe load capacity of up to 150 kilograms, accommodating a wide range of riders and riding needs. The COSWHEEL R6000 is more than just an electric bike. It is a high-performance machine designed for riders who want speed, endurance, and the freedom to explore beyond ordinary roads. With its powerful dual motors, long-range battery, advanced suspension, and rugged construction, it delivers the capability and excitement needed for serious outdoor adventures and high-performance riding.